extinct creatures in VR.
Powerful front and hind limbs allowed Quetzalcoatlus to take off into the air in an explosive split second. Perhaps the most important adaptation that allowed pterosaurs to fly is this: the shape of their wings. Pterosaur wings are thicker in front, the part that faces the direction of travel. It's how air flows around this shape that generates lift. Weight pterosaurs, like Jeholopterus, could afford stouter wings. They would have flapped more frequently, but they had much greater control over their speed, and flying takes a lot of energy. Why did pterosaurs do it? Flight provides an escape from predators, new ways to catch prey. Flight widens the range for finding food and mates. As the first vertebrate flyers, pterosaurs were incredibly successful and diversified into many species that were adapted to their unique habitats.
White-eyed dragon.